let him ride for a little while. When I get done, I'll drop him out. That's pretty cool. He's baby too. Just moved to another farm. Just rolling in here. With all this to do, and then the front, and then the back that you can't see. Alright, so that's what I got left of that. And that's how my brother prepares every morning. Got to blow the baler off. And it's a dirty job. He should do it at nighttime. But I guess when you get done, you don't feel like doing nothing but going home. Alright, well, I'm back to cutting the weed again today. Just got the combine blown off, ate lunch, now I'm rolling. I got that left all the way back. That's what I cut yesterday. And a little field up front. And it's not doing very well. But the draper's working good. I love a draper. Best header they've ever made. Wish I could get rid of that freaking windshield wiper. All of our other combines we've ever ran, we've always taken the wipers off because they're in the way. And you don't cut when it's raining anyway. And if you do corn or something, the damn wiper makes it worse than anything. So we need to definitely take that thing off. It's a pain in the ass. This is what I'm doing today. Well, we're nearing the end of wheat season. This is the last field right here. Goes way up front, but I am ready for this day to be over with. Ready, ready, ready. I got a draper belt that has a tear in it. I don't know if it was from a deer horn back here or what. I just saw it earlier when Mr. Kurt was riding with me. I don't know if a deer horn got it in that other field or what. It had to be something like that. Or it was just dry rotted, but we're going to try to get her through. Get her through this. It's that corner belt right there. We're going to try to get her through this harvest and then go through her before we got to cut beans. The baler's been broke down. Hoover's is up there helping my brother fix it, but I got 2 trucks loaded. Mr. Ben is taking one of them over, and now I'm loading her. Shiny black. So I already got a bit on her. That's all I got left of that wheat. Right there. And this little bit right here. And wheat 2020 will be over. Alright, here's the last pass of wheat for 2020. And I couldn't be more excited than I am. And I'm very excited to get this shit over with. I hate wheat. I hate having to bale it and then fucking haul it. Or whatever the hell, it's just a pain in the ass. The straw that goes with it, a pain in the ass. So I might as well let you all watch it with me. not very exciting, is it? But it is what it is. It's exciting to me. It's the very last pass. So, time to get the draper fixed, get the combine blown off, washed, get it ready for corn. I got to change the concaves out. All kinds of exciting stuff. Hook the turbo toe up to the 8360R. We will be ready to go. And then get the 8335R out and start planting beans behind all this wheat. That's what we're doing. There she goes. Wheat harvest 2020 is in the books. It's not been an exciting wheat season at all. The balers broke down 15 times. The wheat was shitty because of the frost. This is actually our worst field normally, and it ended up being the best field because it's closer to the wood, so it didn't get all that frost damage. Had a bearing go up in the header. I had to fix that on one of the rollers. Now I got a draper belt ripped. I don't know if it was a deer horn or I don't know what it was. It was something. Something ripped it. It was fine. But that's how it goes. Get up and shoot. In order, they're $500 if you get them from shoot, but if you get them from John Deere, they're $1,500 per belt. So that just shows you the markup, how ridiculous the shit is. But it is what it is, like always. I love these John Deere unloading augers on these S-Series. They will load a truck quick. I mean, super quick. Super quick. Top. And that's it. Don't forget to like it and subscribe. See? Because my brother moving. Going over to another farm. Just about done. Alright, here's 75-day corn here right beside the house. So as you can see, it's got ears pretty good. Look in there. That's with no rain. So we need some rain. They're calling for some tomorrow, but we probably won't get any. But the ears are still coming. Let's hope something makes out of it. Alright, here I am on my balcony. And this is a 75-day corn here at the farm. I'll give you a topo view of it. It's getting dark, so I don't know if you can see it or not, but she's pretty good all the way back and around here. Can't see back behind the chicken houses. No rain for a month. We haven't had any rain whatsoever for like a month. They're calling for some tomorrow, so let's pray that we get some.